Welcome to Upgrade. Let's take a look at some of the products of CES 2025.
Alright, so here we are in one of the booths that got my attention because we're doing AR on glasses, and this is a pop-up display, it's text messages and so forth. So we're going to take a look at it. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you what I'm going to see because it's very petite, very small, and sometimes not very visible. So we're going to take a look at it. Alright, so one of the things I saw here at the convention is more the AR stuff, and this is it's like a heads-up display. If you ever see something like that on a vehicle or on a moving car, this is perfect. I see it on the right-hand side, so it could fix from different sides if you're left hand or right hand. But right now, what I'm looking at actually a navigation step-by-step moving of a vehicle. Not moving a vehicle, but moving a map. That's what I'm looking at. And I'm able to see my surroundings, everything. And these are sunglasses that you can see. Now, these are heads-up displays. A lot of pilots have something similar to this. Now they're bringing it back to the public. And the features on it are really, really tiny that you can fit on pretty much on any lens. And they have plenty of demonstrations here. There, I'm going to show you a couple of things that they have. The display is a little small, but it's perfect for those that are walking, maybe driving. And I see a text message just popped up too, so very interactive with this now. And at the same time, I'm able to concentrate. You don't have to do a lot of multitasking on these, which everything's on the system. And the demo itself, it's really good. It's right in my center of it's right above my center point, but I'm able to see everything in good details, good quality. Let me show you the insides of the actual system. Alright, if you guys can see, there's the actual whole brains right next to it. And I'm going to see if I could get a little bit, but unfortunately it's not going to be able to see any of the pop-up display on this one. But I'm going to go to the site and see if I could get a little B-roll on it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So, like I said, they have different quality, different sizes, different styles.
So this is a navigation camera.
And it works better on darker glasses than light glasses. Here's all the designs that they have. Look at this beautiful design. This is one I will buy some of this just to carry around and maybe record, and at the same time see what I'm recording so you can see the quality of it. This is perfect if I'm going to do content creating. Now, if they had a bundle where you could actually have this and a camera, it would have been the complete package for a content creator. So, awesome.